missed the hookup on this one, but oh, we got a sizable fish on us, I think. Goodness, this is like my second cast. Yeah, we got a little red fish. I don't think he's sized though. Goodness, off to a good start. Oh, there she is. Yeah, this is probably 18 inches or so. There he is. Nice little red fish. Got one spot on one side and hands 2 spots on the other. But it is a quite nice fish. We'll go ahead and let him go and let him grow. Welcome back, everybody. As you can see, we are on the kayak, about to do some saltwater fishing. We already caught one so far, as y'all saw, so that's pretty lucky. Let's see if we can't catch any more. Today we're using this saltwater Yozeri shrimp, and it's also glow in the dark. It was overcast earlier today, but not so much anymore. But, I mean, it already caught us one fish. Let's see if it'll catch us some more. The water is pretty murky today, so hopefully with this being a lighter colored lure, it'll help us out a little bit. This wind is pushing me everywhere except where I want to go. Come on, just one more fish. It's not too much to ask for, right? Right? Alrighty, we haven't had any luck in the past 3 hours or so. So I switched over lures to a spinner and soft plastic combo. I have had luck with redfish on this in the past. Let's see if it comes through today. Oh boy. That was windy. Well, I know we didn't have the best of luck, but at least we got that one fish right in the beginning. I think that was like the second or third cast. And then the like hundreds of thousands of casts afterwards, just nothing. But no matter, we will be back soon. Hopefully in the morning this time before the wind gets too wild. But with that being said, thank you everyone for joining us here today, and hope to see you in the next one real soon.